been driving on. It's been one disaster after another.
Yeah, it's been a real drag, Dad. Here we get drags all the time. Why the world's overrated anyway?
What do you think?
I think you're all fucked in the head. We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park and you want to bail out. Well, I'll tell you something. This is no longer a vacation. It's a quest. It's a quest for fun. I'm going to have fun and you're going to have fun. We're all going to have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling Symphony Nuda out of your assholes.
Hey, Tom.
I gotta be crazy. I'm on a pilgrimage to see a moose. Praise Marty Moose. Hey, shit.
Dad, come on, ask me something.
Don't touch.
The next time you have one of your outbursts, I'd appreciate it if you'd have some consideration for your kids.
What are you talking about?
You don't know.
All I know is I'm trying to treat my family to a little fun.
Oh, spare me, Clark. I know your brand of family fun. Tomorrow you'll probably kill the desk clerk, hold up a McDonald's, and drive us 1,000 miles out of the way to see the world's largest ball of mud.
You know what your problem is, Ellen? You have an uncanny knack for looking at the dark side of things. That's your problem. You wouldn't know a good time became up big.
Where are you going?
What do you care?
Waiting for someone?
Mind if I sit down? Fancy seeing you here.
Having a nice little family vacation.
Oh. Would appear so, wouldn't it? No. The truth of it is, and this is highly confidential. I own this motel. Yeah. All in a whole chain nationwide. 2,200 units. Yeah, once a year I travel across the country.
Hey, Matt. You hear everything okay? Okay. We'll start breaking in about, say about 5 minutes or so. When start at 7 o'clock. If I think there's a couple more coming in. I don't know who else, but Tom is here. You're here. George isn't going to make it. Rod might be here. Bob might be here. I don't know. Bob normally catches the video. Rodney may be here. I seen him in another room earlier, so he should be. Hard to say, though. Just got these in the mail today. He finally signed his 2011 stuff. I got a few of my things. I didn't get my contenders for some reason, though. I know the contenders are out. I thought they'd ship them all to me at the same time, but
All non-iron dress shirts are 3 for $99.99. And take 50% off all outerwear. Men's Warehouse. Rise to the occasion.
Why get your eyes checked the old-fashioned way? When lens doctors can digitally map them for you. Introducing Clarify. No other eye exam is more precise.
Looks like we're about to start new. You better start within you, dear.
This season, start a new tradition. Experience the power of Infinity now, with leases starting at $319 a month. Infinity, empower the drive. Wild Mustangs. I can't believe we live in the middle of all this. They're supposed to be one of the most gentle creatures in nature. I read that.
State Farm knows that for every one of those moments, there's one of these.
They're supposed to be one of the most gentle creatures in nature. Really? I don't know. I wouldn't know.
That's why more people save money by combining their home and auto with State Farm. Here to help life go right. State Farm.
As a Marriott Rewards member, I can embrace a world full of surprising moments.
The new Marriott portfolio of hotels now has 30 brands in over 110 countries. So no matter where you go, you are here. Join our link accounts today.
I request the cone of solace. Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! This is the best day of my life! Yeah, my credo is death and after credo. You know, go for it. You only go around this crazy merry-go-round once. Well,
I agree.
yeah, that's my credo. You don't have to have a credo. That's where they say that he's heaven. My favorite credo. You know, Penny saying, you
Oh, you working?
Here.
For starters, sure. Why not?
You working, Rod?
Don't you swim?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, I took third in the state finals in my senior year. Yeah. Swimming. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well,
Leave it easy in the water.
looks like just the three of us. 7
I
o'clock, and I'm going to get going because
could have been in the Olympics.
I got plans for later on. So we're going to get rocking. All right? Let me just put this up on screen. What are you winking about there, buddy? This is the teams that everybody has. And I say good luck to you guys. We're going to start off with this Contenders. This might take me a little while to sort. Rod, you might have to come over to the house tomorrow and go through this a little bit for me. Because I'm sure this is still this is the college stuff. But all right, good luck, everybody. We're going to start off with this Contenders. And then we'll do the Leaf Certified. And we'll end with the Origins. Okay, will do, Rod. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. The box number 1 is the Panini Contenders draft picks. Then we'll do the Certified, and then we'll do the Origins. Smaller break this time. Looks smaller break this time, but a little cheaper and a little easier on the pocketbook. Here we go. All right. Am I froze? What's going on here?
Cut it out, you don't even know how to behave. So, maybe I don't want to. How could he do this to Mom?
Come on.
Probably get a divorce.
Guys, my computer locked up tighter than crap here. Hold on a minute. No, what's going on here?
What are you doing up?
You woke the whole hotel up.
Oh. I was,
No, I got it. I got it now. Am I live now? You guys can see everything. I haven't opened anything. I just grabbed a pack and flipped it upside down. I was going to. Okay, you guys can see. We're gonna go. I don't know if my computer was kind of funky or what it is. We'll get moving. I'm gonna be shipping everything, just so you guys know. Christian Hackenberg, School Colors, Tom Brady. And I believe there's 5 autographs in this per box. Here comes our first one. Is Kenny Lawler. Kenny Lawler. Seahawks. Seahawks is, let me pull up my, Seahawks is Rod. How'd you get the Seahawks, Rodney? Paul Perkins, J.J. Watt, Cody Kessler, and Brandon Doherty. Oh. Oh, We got another autograph right under Leonte Carew, number to 99. I believe that's Dolphins, is it not? Yeah. That's what I thought, but I was.